If you're experiencing login issues on Tidal, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or restarting your router if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Tidal app installed on your device. Outdated versions may have bugs that can cause login issues. Visit your device's app store to check for updates. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using the app, clearing the cache can resolve various issues. Go to your device settings, find the Tidal app and clear its cache. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Tidal's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help you resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Tidal. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from support.